name is Peter Chakarov, and my role in the organization is to project manage client engagements, discuss with clients, and assist with business development tasks within the organization. Well, if we're talking about North and South America, then majority of clients prefer to do business through Delaware, which is a US state. It's the most tax and business environment friendly state to register an organization across the US. And the process is very fast and efficient. You take advantage of the non-travel incorporation regime. You don't even need to sign incorporation forms. Everything can be completed remotely. And through this entity, you can tap into setting up a good quality AAA bank account in the US, which is of high reputation and security. So if we're talking about North and South America, then there is a certain gradation of challenges that you would face. It's much easier to do business in North America, incorporate a business, set up banking, rather than in South America. South America, most countries still pose significant red tape when a foreign investor wants to do business in the country, just by virtue of having higher bureaucracy. So in certain cases, client will have to travel or certify and legalize a lengthy list of documentation, which thereafter need to pass through various authorities. And the time taken to incorporate a business can be lengthy. The substance requirements can also be more challenging in South America in terms of appointing a legal representative during the process of incorporation, which is not really required in Canada and in the US. A lot of the banks that you have to deal with in South America, a little bit more time consuming. Some of them would need to see you in person as a foreign investor before they extend banking services. So certainly South America has a lot of potential, a big market, a lot of resources, and a growing middle class. So foreign investors would definitely benefit from doing business in South America. It's just much more bureaucratic and time consuming. Hence where our services come into play, where we optimize as much as possible the client's experience, so you can focus on your business while we do deal with the secretarial matters on the ground. Well, in a way, it's a bit of a closed market with a lot of competitors, but certainly import businesses for foreign products are very common. Software businesses with new ideas that can compete with the local providers is valuable, and manufacturing operations that can bring products from specific natures, it's very valuable in the US. You can always send us an inquiry. Our initial consultations are free. So if you have any particular topic in mind, any particular business idea, or need to expand abroad, you can always contact us. We'll offer advice so you'll be able to make an informed decision. And you can do so by giving us a call or sending us an email at email@hidiconsultants.com or reaching out through various social media channels.